a food truck event on 19 December, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Our company name is Galaxy Moon. We will sell space painting, food and drink. We also have fun space eating. Come and support us. See you!